Hey, so I've just done a very small load in the Fresca 3.2 litre washing machine, and it's used, what did you say, 20 litres?
Yep.
I can actually see that.
It is
25, so it hasn't used 25 litres.
No, 20.
Well, I can see 25.
That's right.
So it's less than 20.
So the one underneath it.
Yeah, I know, but I can't see.
There's 25.
Yeah, that's what I can see. So
there's
20 will be,
right there.
yeah, so it's a little bit, it's
21,
just
22.
a little bit over 20 litres. So I'm going to do another load with more clothes. Like I'm going to fill the washing machine up with clothes, and we'll see how much it uses after that load. Because if there's more clothes, it should use less water, hopefully.
This has got about 15 litres left in it.
Because that was only a small load of underwear that I did, my whites. So 20 litres or less, a bit more.
We've got 2 full tanks now plus a drinking tank.
Yeah, and I'll show you what Brad's done. He's got his 20 litre washing machine. 20 litres of water. And he's got the hose, so this is how he's siphoning it in as I'm doing the washing.
Running in under pressure, but yeah.
So,
Just grab 20 litres every time you do a load.
alright.
And we still got
Well, you can empty
2 full
that
tanks.
bucket somehow.
I feel like washing the ute in it. That'd make the ute a lot cleaner than this.
Well, go and wash
I'll get rid of that one in the van, and the next one I'll fill that up and might keep it for tomorrow, wash the ute.
Yeah, because after that I just want to do a test, that's all. Learning off Brad.
Love testing.
Okay, we're washing a fuller load this time. Still dribbling. No, that's 20. So this is only part way through. It's got a spin yet. Let's just get that. So that's 20. It's less than 20. I think the wash was more. It was over 10. Anyway, we'll see what happens when it spins. Okay, I think we're about done. It hasn't bipped yet, but a bit of a dribble. Not much more is going to come out. So this is a fairly heavy load. There we go, I can hear it bipping. So it's under 30 litres. And it's a fairly heavy woolly coat of Brad's, a pair of thick trackies and
Rather small stuff.
a thick zipped jackety wind cheater thing. So that's probably the heaviest load I do, or one of them.
For 3.2
For
litre.
less, just under 30. That's finished now. So see, I can still see 30. Whoop. There. So the first load of the lights was 22 litres, but it's still better off filling it up to do a full load because I just don't do as many and use less water. So that was a pretty good test. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright. And if we're really off grid, we get a bucket of water, throw the washing in the bucket and drive around all day, then come home and I'll just throw it in the washing in there to spin it and hang it out. And I'll use even less. No, he goes.
Right.
He's happy to... What are you happy doing? Running for water every half hour.
It'd be nice if you fill up in the creek all the time, that'd be good.
Yeah, well, I've done that before with the river. Anyway,
Meters of hose to start
there's a little test for us.
Yeah, it's good.
Might go and get some more on.
Plenty here to pick, plenty of water. I'll put another 80 litres tomorrow. And we've still got one completely 110 litre full tank of water probably 100 litres in drinking water, and that washing machine water that he's pumped out of is taking 30 litres, so there's another 70 litres in the back tank. We've got shitloads of water.
Yeah, we do.
Shitloads.
It's all good. All good.